Salut tout le monde. Revenons sur Elex. Alors depuis le dernier épisode, j'ai fait quelques petites choses. Bon, et étant donné qu'il y avait une des quêtes principales qui demandait de retourner dans l'entreprise ouest là d'Edan, j'ai fait off caméra parce que bon, j'y étais déjà allé plus d'une fois. Et j'ai également voulu aller à Origine et là j'ai été accosté directement par Nasty qui m'a proposé sa prochaine étape de quête. Donc il fallait aller tuer deux cyclopes et puis deux ou trois mutants. En revenant, j'ai été accosté directement par Ray qui m'a dit qu'il savait qui était derrière tout ça. Et c'était un certain Walker. C'est un mec que j'avais déjà croisé sur le bord de la route à Ignadon près d'un téléporte. Qui n'avait pas voulu me parler jusque-là. Là, je suis allé voir avec Ray. Le mec s'est levé, il a fui. Il a fui jusqu'à la fameuse maison du bout du monde, là où j'étais un peu déçu qu'il n'y ait pas de loot. Et là, il a avoué, et c'est lui qui avait le dernier contrat. Donc j'ai récupéré les derniers contrats, les derniers contrats, et puis voilà. Ça a mis un terme à la quête de Ray. À origine, j'ai acheté l'établi de craft Berserker ainsi que le marchand. Donc j'ai constaté que le marchand vend lui aussi de manière infinie de l'élex brut. Et du coup, j'ai acheté suffisamment d'Ex brut pour passer à 85 en constitution. Et je suis allé m'acheter les compétences 6ème sens et armure 3 pour débloquer le succès Steam du mec qui a toutes les compétences de survie. Voilà, voilà, voilà. Et donc maintenant, je vais récupérer Kaja parce que forcément, avec les quêtes que j'ai faites pour Ray et pour Nasty, fatalement, Kaja, bah, elle était plus avec moi. Hein.
Hey, have you thought what you'll do when all of this is over?
No.
I can understand that. I've had to fight my entire life. Always thinking about what's just in front of me. You can only survive on Magalat if you're strong enough. If you focus on the things that are dangerous to you.
Mhm.
Yes.
You have to choose your friends carefully.
Qu'est-ce que t'essayes de me dire,
Just for the sake
Kaja?
of survival. It's your friends, your companions who make all this make sense. They make it worth fighting for.
So it seems for many people.
And believing in someone. That makes you wonder, what will you be once all this is over? Will you still remain as close?
I suppose that depends on the challenges that are to come.
Yeah, but it's not all about the challenges, is it?
Why? What else is there?
Le mec il fait le neuneu.
Just listen to your feelings.
Mhm. Ok. Alors on peut décider de partir sur une romance peut-être avec elle. Ou alors les sentiments ne sont que des émotions, ils sont une perte d'énergie. Donc là tu lui claques la porte au nez quoi. J'essaie encore de comprendre mes émotions, elles sont perturbantes. Ça c'est certainement pour dire on en reparlera plus tard. On va voir si on peut se lancer dans une romance.
We are right here for each other. For the future.
I'm glad you see it that way.
Yes.
Listen, we should talk about it alone.
Ah ah, seul à seul.
Would be best.
Yes.
Yeah, we should.
Heureusement qu'elle est là pour prendre les choses en main, parce que sinon...
When we met, I thought, well, I didn't know what to think of you. Chancer, someone else out for what they could get, but here we are.
Yes. Here we are. What's so special about here?
Mais quel teubé ce mec.
It's not here, not physically here, it's where we are. Two of us, our feelings?
Yes. We are closer than I thought we'd be.
Don't worry, you're not doing too badly for now. You'll get there.
2200 XP. Et un succès Steam. Bon, par contre, je suis un peu à poil, quoi. Mec, s'il te plaît, il y a des enfants autour. Habille-toi, hein. Ok, donc ouais, le succès Steam romance. Bah, romantique, quoi. Ouais, bah ouais, forcément.
You know that I love you, right?
Yes.
It's strange to say it, but an alb is the only person I know who can understand me. It's almost stranger than what we've learned about the Elix.
How are you?
Life is good.
Oula. C'est quoi cette position que tu prends, Kaja?
Follow me.
Okay. With everything that's going on, you forget how
Mhm.
beautiful it really is here.
Ok. Bon bah. Comme quoi, c'est effectivement possible d'avoir une romance avec Kaja. Je me demande si c'est possible d'avoir une avec Nasty aussi. Bon, vu le potentiel hautement peu romantique de Nasty, je suis pas convaincu de l'intérêt d'essayer d'avoir une romance avec elle. Alors on a les téléporteurs des convertisseurs et ça fait partie de nos prochaines missions, hein, d'être les convertisseurs. Alors, réacteur défectueux. Il me faut une spire de réacteur de type 48. Mais je l'ai cherché celle-là. Non? Si, je l'ai. Alors, il faut que j'amène à qui? À Torgal? Non, à mon avis, faut l'amener à... Enfin, il s'appelle pas Torgal, il s'appelle Thorald. Le mec, Torgal, c'est un autre. C'est un berserker aussi, mais c'est pas le même. Eh, Temper Harley.
You said the reactor coil needs replacing.
Yeah, that thing won't last more than 2 kilometers.
What do we do now? I need that Raider operational.
Yeah, but where are we supposed to get...
Tiens, j'en ai une.
I found a replacement reactor coil for the Raider.
Hey, yeah, that'll do it. That is a miracle right there. Right, I'll get to work and install it now.
Il va y avoir un flashback pour ça? Ok.
Some of them have taken to wearing the clothing of the free people. Why did they turn against the directive?
Their unit was cut off from their Elix rations. They developed emotions.
They grew weak. Once their Elix rations were restored, they should have seen the truth of that. Instead, they killed their own kind and ran. I want to know if they had help in escaping.
Whatever the cause, this isn't isolated. Several groups of separatists have broken from our ranks recently.
Separatists? You mean traitors. Do you think someone can be deliberately tampering with the Elix rations? We should send word to all units. Any signs of emotion must be reported immediately. We will remain vigilant to the enemy within, as well as without.
So speaks a true Alb. I am proud of you both. Your strength, your commitment to the cause. They are known throughout Zakor.
We will bring you only honor, Father. The directive stands above all.
Duty and honor stand above all. Without them, we are nothing.
Mhm. Ouais, ouais.
There is one thing that's worrying me about the Raider.
What is it?
Well, no. No, I'll tell you. I need some more time to...
Ok. Donc, au prochain chapitre de la quête principale, tu m'en diras plus. Ok. Alors, gros soupçon, il faut obtenir la preuve que Zardom serait responsable de l'attaque contre mon chasseur. On peut essayer d'aller chez Zardom. Peut-être est-il absent. Peut-être peut-on lire ses archives. Je vois pas d'autres possibilités pour prouver ça entre nous.
I've got a bad feeling about this place.
C'est sacrément mal famé.
Now where is Zardom?
Ah,
Wherever he is,
voilà, c'est juste tellement évident.
gives me a good chance to look through his things.
Le problème, c'est que j'ai rien trouvé chez Zardom qui s'apparente à des infos, quoi que ce soit dans ce goût-là, quoi. Recette de potion d'Elex. Ah ah, ok. Ah, attends, il y a un contrat entre Zardom et Ray?
Contact details. Ray. Research indicates he is capable of making the shot needed to hit the thruster on an Alv Raider. Zardom used Ray to shoot down my Raider. Ray. I am interested to hear what
Je le
excuse.
dis, il aurait fallu le tuer beaucoup plus tôt, lui. Alors. Ray. Et tu es toujours à origine, Ray. Mon avis, Ray n'est plus là. Si? Ah si, il est là.
Ray, there is something you should have told me. Now is the time.
Okay, that tone is telling me something is wrong. Are you going to give me a clue?
Zardom,
Zardom? Zardom?
you know who I'm talking about.
Oh, well, yeah. The shit with your raider, yeah? I'm sorry. I was the guy that shot you out of the sky. I should have told you earlier, but you were so pissed about your armor, I thought, well, you'll probably kill me if I did.
Why did you do it?
I had no choice. Please, listen to me.
You didn't give me a choice. You tried to kill me, you asshole.
Yeah, I know, but listen. I had a reason, and nothing I can do now is going to change the past. wasn't personal. Not from me. I took a job. A strange one. I didn't know who was hiring me. I was told to aim at the port on your radar. They gave me that information. I mean, at that point, you were just another owl. Now I know you, and I know you're more than that. And I didn't even get paid. He threatened me. He has my brother, Tom. He said he would kill him if I didn't help. He still has him.
He took your brother.
Yeah. I didn't know you. You were my enemy. And Zardom, he was gonna kill my brother. You have to understand that.
I do.
I couldn't tell you because of that. He is still threatening him.
Now I understand the note I read about changing a person into a jackal.
What? What are you talking about?
I think Zardom turned your brother into a jackal. He's among us, hiding in plain sight.
But are you sure?
Ah, c'est le chacal là à côté, c'est le frère de Ray?
I think I know where your brother is.
What? Where? Tell me.
There's a friendly jackal at Origin. I think that jackal is your brother.
What? We should go there now. We have...
Yes, and I think I know how.
Oh là ça devient chelou là.
Contract. I found the magical trigger that Zardom planted in your brother to turn him back.
Okay, but hurry up before someone accidentally shoots Tom.
Come here, boy. We're going to get you out of here. Orion.
What? Ray? Is that you? Slow down. You're still a little dazed after what you went through.
What happened? The last thing I knew was that an Exeter.
Zardom. He transformed you into a jackal. But you're back now. You don't have an urge to scratch your ear with your foot, do you?
I can't remember what happened.
It's all right. The important thing is you are back again. Just sit down. You'll be fine. All right?
Eh ben.
You, of all people, got him back. After everything. I don't know what to say.
You don't need to say anything.
When did you realize that Jackal was my brother?
Obviously, I found out just in time.
Yeah, and I can't thank you enough for that. Oh, what have I done? Why did I deal with Zardom? All this. You have to understand, I didn't know you, and now my brother?
You'd better be talking about Zardom.
Of course. You tried to help me, and I will pay off my debt to you, to the last shard, to the last drop of blood, I promise you. We still have a lot to do, so get your head straight. Let's get on with it.
Ouais, où est Zardom?
Where is Zardom now?
I don't know. I really don't. My guess is that he's gone back to the Ice Palace. I mean, why else would he try and kill you? It has to do with Zakor, right?
You have a point.
Donc Zardom, c'est pas un ami. Ok. Bon, on a d'autres choses à faire. On a les convertisseurs à flinguer et à trouver mon papa. Alors ton papa, t'as aucune idée d'où il peut être. Donc on va demander à la carte. Ton père, il est juste là. Convertisseur au sud d'Abessa. Ah bon? Ah bah oui, il est avec les séparatistes. Suis-je bête? C'est vrai. Si on t'a dit qu'il avait rejoint les rangs des séparatistes. Oui, donc oui. Donc on va voir.
Father, Jax, so it's true. You are alive. I hadn't dared to hope.
So, you left Zakor? Have you stopped taking Helix too?
I am trying. But That's difficult. You must have experienced the problems of Elix withdrawal yourself.
I was unconscious during the worst of it. My body was already drained of Elix when I awoke.
There is more to the changes than just the physical. It is how your mind copes with the rejection of all that you have known, all that you have been in life. Tell me, what do you make of the world you have discovered since leaving Zakor?
That the free people are capable of resisting the Albs. We are told we are superior, but the Albs have failed to crush them, or their spirit.
That will change soon. The first Alexitor, Tarek, is assembling his troops before the gates of the Ice Palace. He will make his move and he will succeed in conquering the lands of the free people. We have to stop him, or our people will perish.
What are you doing here with the Separatists?
I had no other choice. I tried to stop Tarek and Zakor, but he realized my plans. He would have killed me if I had stayed. I hope that I can still make a difference from here. I can help to bring a
Mais pourquoi tu vas arrêter les plans de Tarek, toi?
His blind obedience of the hybrid endangers all our people.
What is it he's doing that threatens the Albs? Why is Tarek such a danger?
Tarek is a puppet. He has given his will to the hybrid.
Mais c'est qu'on se fait avoir tous les albes.
To dominate our people. And soon, Tarek will dedicate all our people, the whole of the fighting strength of Zakor, to an invasion of the lands of the free people. All this death for one purpose. Greater power to the hybrid. I say we need to find another way. One that does not lead to our ruin.
Ah, ça, t'as servi la directive. Pourquoi t'as changé d'avis là? Je comprends pas.
All Elix for the hybrid. What changed your mind?
What happened to our search for knowledge? What happened about our evolution? What about researching the nature of Elix? All those were key to the Alb people, and all have been dominated by the hybrid's demand for Elix. A lot has changed at the Ice Palace since the coming of the hybrid, and the pace of that change is only accelerating. The hybrid tells us nothing of this future he sees. He is obsessed with his own evolution, and that is only attainable through the consumption of ever greater quantities of Elix. No Alb, no free person will be allowed to stand in his way. I still believe in serving the Albs of Zakor, but to achieve that, I now know that the hybrid must be removed from the Ice Palace.
Alors, allons demander à
We
l'hybride.
should ask the hybrid what he will become. We should know what we are choosing between.
Do you think the hybrid will talk to us? To him, we have no more free will than the mutants he commands. You know the price that an owl pays to reach the highest ranks in Zakor.
You summoned me, Master?
Calax, you have proven yourself loyal to the directive. You are efficient. You obey your orders. Those are the marks of a true Alb. I have watched you and your brother, and the honor you have brought to your father. You will all have a part to play in the events that are to come. Are you ready to play that part, Calax? Will you join those chosen to evolve?
The hybrid's will is above all. I will serve the hybrid.
Ouais, il doit rejoindre les élus. C'est exactement ce que pensait effectivement le docteur Hawkins, ou je sais pas comment il s'appelle. Hein. Je suis sûr que c'est lui l'hybride.
Know my thoughts and serve the directive.
brother were the strongest warriors at the Ice Palace's command. Strong, intelligent, iron-willed. No one could equal you. And now look at you. Today, you are an outcast.
I suspect that my failure in execution was planned by someone at the Ice Palace.
I share those suspicions, but I have yet to find any proof.
My raider being shot down, the Alps being nearby to carry out my execution. The chances of those things happening without being planned.
But the questions are why and who. The only cause I can think of is your free will. All other Alps took the hybrid's favor as an honor. You questioned it. But who ordered your death? Who coordinated it? That, I don't know.
What about Zardom? I know he was behind the attack on my raider.
Now that he has left the Ice Palace, he would have no reason to do that. Zardom was always set on becoming First Alexitor. If he thought you were an impediment to that, he would have no hesitation in having you killed. But now he's here, out of Zakor, who knows what his plans are?
I know Zardom wanted my raider shot down. Zardom knew I was flying to Adan, and he knew the purpose of my mission.
Well, if that is true, I don't know how he knew that information. No. Zardom was already in exile when you received your orders from the hybrid.
Then someone at the Ice Palace must have got that information to him.
If
Ce
Zardom
serait pas
was
toi,
behind
Vardek,
this,
la taupe?
why would another owl communicate with an exile?
C'était pas toi, la taupe, Vardek. C'est comme par hasard, celui qui a organisé la destruction de mon chasseur, c'est Zardom. Et donc, je devais être accueilli au sol pour être flingué. Et comme par hasard au sol, qui c'est Calax. Donc ce serait quelqu'un qui connaîtrait Zardom et Calax et tout. Et je sais pas, moi je te vois bien Vardek dans le rôle de la taupe.
What about my brother, Calyx?
I don't believe that. I am sure if your brother is involved, it is only as an instrument. He must be being used by other people. He would only have carried out the execution if he had orders to do so.
What about the hybrid?
The hybrid needed you and your skills to achieve his aims. While your free will may have made you stand out, your will is nothing to the hybrids. You were under his control and offered no threat. Besides, if he wanted you dead, he could have had you shot without the need for this intricate plan.
What about the First Alexitor, Tarek?
He has the power and the intellect to plan something like this, but he is no longer himself. These days he is merely a vassal to the hybrid. I don't think he possesses the ability to think as freely as this. I don't think he would do this without orders from the hybrid.
So who do you think is behind this?
I don't know. Even if there is someone behind this,
Where is Calyx now?
your brother knows you are still alive. He is looking for you. He wants to finish what he started and prove his loyalty. After all, technically, he failed in his mission to execute you. He will want to remedy that. That is why he is traveling alone. He is currently in the mountains of Abessa on the border of Zakor, awaiting information on your
Oh, tu sais que ton frère est à Abessa.
He will strike as soon as he knows where you are.
Not if I get to him first.
I would rather you both join together. The death of either of you weakens us all.
It is far too late for us to be reconciled.
There must be a way to free him from the hybrid. He's a slave like Tarek. If you could free him from the hybrid's will, then you could both be reconciled.
And if he comes for me in the meantime, I will fight him rather than die myself.
If that is your fate. But you think clearly and independently now, Jax. You can decide your own destiny.
If the hybrid's evolution is not yet complete, shouldn't we ensure he reaches his final form?
With all the sacrifices we've made, with all the blood he once spilled, has he told us what he will achieve if he attains that? How do we know what he will become? No. My loyalty ended on the day of your execution. I will not sacrifice my son for the ideals of that machine. Listen to you.
Je pense, Vardek, que tu es lié. Mais elle est pas là, Kaja. Moi, je pense qu'elle m'a lâché quand je suis allé faire la quête de Ray. Je pense, mon coco, que la personne qui a balancé les infos à Zardom, c'est toi. Pour une raison que j'ignore. Je vois pas qui aurait informé Zardom. Parce que comme par hasard, Calax était là aussi, quoi. Donc soit c'est Calax qui a tout organisé, soit c'est toi, Vardek. Je veux dire, à part vous deux, je vois pas qui ce serait. Hein. À moins que ce soit Arx qui collabore avec tout le monde. Mais ça m'étonnerait, je pense pas qu'Arx soit ce genre de gars.
Follow me.
Very well.
Bon. Du coup, il y a... Je sais où est mon frère. Bah, techniquement, moi pas. Mais tu vas me le dire. Avant de faire la suite, on va aller chercher Calax. C'est l'heure d'aller faire coucou à notre étagère. Notez que les clients sont encore crânes, hein, à mon niveau. Hein. C'est au moins des mobs niveau 45, hein, les clients. Techniquement, c'est presque les mobs les plus hauts level du jeu. Hein. Sur quoi tu veillais, toi? Sur des Lex. Petit coquinou, va. Est-ce que j'ai appris le skill arme à distance 3? Non, je crois pas. Hein. Arme de tir 3. Non, j'ai pas appris. Donc, je suis niveau 38, bientôt 39. Puis quand tu t'attaques à la quête principale, les niveaux vont vraiment très vite. Ouais, je pense que je vais finir vers le niveau 40 par là. Vu la taille du monde, vu tout ça, j'aurais peut-être pu espérer un peu plus de niveau à la fin du jeu. Mais en même temps, je veux dire, ton perso est déjà suffisamment fort. Avec toutes les potions d'Elex. Te donner des niveaux supplémentaires, je veux dire. Mes niveaux, je les prends même plus, quoi. Ça sert à quoi de prendre des niveaux? Bon, Calax, j'arrive pour toi.
I doubted what I was told. That you were failing the hybrid. Yet now, even the fact that you still breathe stands against the directive. Why did you come here, Jax? What did you expect to find?
My brother.
You appeal to me with emotion? The bond of blood with you, with Father, once gave me honor. Now all I have is shame. Your execution should have saved me from that.
And yet, here I stand. You failed the directive, Calyx. Perhaps we aren't perfect after all. Wardic hid the truth. We were born free people. Elix, the hybrid, our father. They decided what we would become.
Powerful, superior. They opened the door to our evolution. Our past is irrelevant.
So we've been told. But what other lies have we yet to uncover? You take the promises of the future and serve without question. But even now as an Alexander, what does the hybrid tell you, Calyx? What do you know of the truth?
From the ashes came the clerics, believers in Kalan. From Kalan came the Albs, believers in the future. From Elix came the hybrid, seer of all things. Together we serve no god, we bow to no person. Together we shall evolve.
Evolve into what? The Albs existed before the hybrid. Now we serve him. Now we bow to him. He has taken the place of Kalan.
Do you think you can anger me? I don't need anger, brother. The directive tells me you must die. What is dead should stay dead.
Ok. On a un petit malin avec une... ça va être un peu compliqué là s'ils sont aussi nombreux. Ouais, surtout si je prends le combat comme ça quoi. Ouais là, j'ai fait du caca. Bon. On va essayer de trouver un meilleur angle d'attaque déjà. Le problème, c'est que je pense que quelle que soit la position que tu prennes, à l'issue du dialogue, ton personnage se retrouve forcément toujours au même endroit.
I doubted what I was. Yet now, why did you come?
But so, Calyx said a trap for me.
Mais c'est fini, je peux le taper aussi ou pas? Ou éventuellement j'ai pas le droit, ça?
This doesn't work.
Ah ben. Tu te bats contre qui, Kaja? Le gars en contrebas là? Les relous en bas, tu veux dire? Avec leur lance-flamme à la con là? Que dès que tu pointes le bout de ton nez, tu te fais exploser? Bon. Alors. T'es là, Kaja?
Life is
Bon, du coup, ça a validé cette quête, mais il a... L'information de Vardek était erronée. Je l'ai dit, Vardek, c'est lui qui est derrière. C'est tellement grotesque que c'est Vardek qui est derrière tout ça. Je veux dire, Zardom n'était pas dans le dôme. Il n'était pas censé savoir quelle était ta mission. Enfin, au palais de glace. C'est-à-dire, donc quelqu'un du palais de glace, un albe, a contacté Zardom pour lui dire. Mais en même temps, cet albe a envoyé Kallax pour te tuer. Donc il faut que ce soit quelqu'un qui connaisse Zardom et quelqu'un qui connaisse Kallax. À part toi, Vardek, ça va être qui? Évidemment, il n'est plus à Vardek, si.
Kallax lured me into a trap. You told me Kallax was traveling alone, but I was ambushed by several units of Alpha soldiers.
I told you what I knew of him.
Where did you get that information in the first place?
From Kallax.
Either you lied, or Kallax used you to set a trap for me.
The hybrid has made him blind to all other things.
I can't promise you that.
This nonsense has to end. He was your brother in arms. He is your brother by blood.
Kallax told me I was to become an Alexander, one of the Chosen. What does that mean?
That you were directly under the hybrid's control, working together as a group to do the hybrid's will.
But I don't remember even having access to the hybrid. As a full Alexander, Kallax was the one who had access. There must be more to this.
Then you need to speak to Cal.
I would have done, but the combat mechs you failed to warn me about had other ideas.
There must be another way to reach him.
And how do I do that without walking into another trap?
You will have to find a place where the combat mechs won't go. Then, you'll need to lure him there.
Any suggestions for where I can lure him?
No. That's a question you'll have to answer yourself. It's better than you fighting his combat.
Then give me a suggestion, Father. If you want to help him, then help me.
Something important happened in the past that I have yet to tell you. Kallax has known for some time, and I think he fears the truth.
What is it he fears?
Losing his rank as Alexitor.
Tell me this secret.
There is a small fishing village on an island to the south of Idan. It is now long abandoned. You should go there. That is where you will find the answers you are seeking.
You must be able to tell me more than that.
I could tell you, but you may not believe me. You have to see it yourself to understand. I will speak to you.
Il faut retourner donc là où il y avait, sur l'île où il y avait Kata qui était prisonnière. Certes. Et toi, est-ce que tu as des choses à me dire, Sestak?
Knowing you, the question is, whatever he says about it, I think we will.
Which one of you?
No one did. I hope that you. Then there is another.
I don't think Thorold has any interest in taking the throne in the Ice Palace. He's seeking to defend Idan.
The Berserkers have their own plans for Magalan. Never forget that all the free people have their own agendas.
As do
yes. But mine is clear. Offer people power, and they will take it.
When-
A few days ago, maybe? Kallax was ordered. The forces of Zakor are preparing.
Ouais, donc toi t'as rien à m'apprendre qui me donne de l'XP. Bon, donc effectivement c'est 4 LPEC ça donc. Alors j'ai 85 en force, en constitution, en intelligence. En dextérité, pardon. Je prends quoi, de l'intelligence ou de la ruse? Qu'est-ce que je veux monter comme skill en fait? C'est ça la question. Si je me crafte 14 potions de compétences, je pourrais être aussi l'expert en compétences de combat. N'est-ce pas formidable? En fait, ce qui est fou, c'est que de l'intelligence, il n'y a pas besoin d'en avoir 70, quoi. Avec 55, je peux apprendre toutes les compétences de craft. Ouais, il semblerait. Par contre, si tu veux augmenter la personnalité, c'est points de ruse qu'il te faut. Hein. En fait, l'intelligence est rarement la compétence principale et il n'y a pas besoin d'avoir 75 000 en groupe. Peut-être que pour groupe, il faut avoir beaucoup d'intelligence, mais... L'intelligence, c'est définitivement pas une compétence qui peut être, entre guillemets, aussi essentielle que les autres. Alors, si je veux acheter un point de skill, c'est 1000 gold. Non. C'est 10 Elex brut. Bah oui, 10 Elex brut, c'est 1000 gold. 10 fois 100, ça fait 1000. Ouais, remarque, vu comme ça, c'est... Bah oui. Donc t'as 40 000, tu peux littéralement t'acheter 40 points de compétence, mec. Donc ça va être très long là ce que je vais faire. Alors, une. Donc les ex brut de toute façon. Un ou d'endurance, c'est quoi plus 20 en endurance? Plus 10. Oh, ok. Donc il m'en faut au moins 150 hein, de l'élex brut. Et de l'alcool, j'en ai combien? 45. Moi, il m'en faut plus que ça. Je vais en acheter 100. What goods do you sell? Yes. Non, mec, non, ta réponse ne va pas avec la question. Tu comprends, j'imagine. Ah, je suis juste du succès Steam là. C'est pas super folichon. Et si vraiment je veux faire du succès Steam à fond, je fous tous mes selects là-dedans. Hein. Là, c'est un peu chiant. De toute façon, le mec, il en a une quantité infinie, quoi. Donc, ça sert à quoi de qu'il le propose que 10 par 10, tu vois? Ça sert à rien. Ça, c'est un peu chiant.
What goods have you got?
Yes, of course. Non, parce que, mec, si tu vas prendre tous ces skills, il faut quand même que tu te gardes des élexites. Parce que les skills, c'est pas gratuit. Pas faux. Pas faux. Donc le workbench, il est là-bas. Donc on a dit on va faire 14 potions d'élex. Puissante, hein, potion d'élex. En froideur, j'en suis à quoi? Impassible toujours, ok. Toi, tu apprends des skills? C'est survie, toi, non, que t'apprends? Ouais, moi, c'est pas survie que je cherche, c'est combat. C'est chez Jonesy qui est plus derrière, ok. On va apprendre tout, hein, je veux dire, au point où on en est. Alors, Jonesy, ouais, il est là-bas.
This is nice. I'd like.
Teach me something.
Yeah, okay.
Ah, c'est 90 en constitution, arme lourde. Ouh. « 70 en ruse, coup de poing puissant. » Ah ouais, bah donc je peux pas tout apprendre. D'accord. Ah ouais, donc il faut encore plus de potions d'élex que je n'imaginais. Est-ce que j'ai encore des points de compétence? Ouais, 4. Parce que j'aimerais bien prendre au moins le skill groupe 1.
Teach me.
Sure.
Voilà, pour intelligent, pour groupe, il faut de l'intelligence. Attribut, c'est plus exactement nécessaire maintenant. On peut prendre marchandeur pour avoir un peu de réduction quand on achètera de l'élex brut. Ok. Donc l'élex brut, normalement, maintenant, elle est vendue 90.
What goods?
Yes, of course.
Ouais, c'est à 90. Alors lui, il vend plein de potions. Instruction de fabrication d'élixir d'endurance. Ok. Élixir de quantité. Ça permet d'utiliser plus de Steam. Potion de guérison durable. Ah, il a les potions, la recette de la potion de point de vie définitive. Bah tiens, j'ai une aux ailes du roi. Je vais en faire une. Allez, c'est 20 points de vie max, hein. C'est pas si mal, hein.
You should know there is a place of refuge waiting for all in the Horde in Ignadon. Stay pure of chems. Pledge yourself to Kalan, and a new life awaits you in the service of Magalan. That is the word of Kalan.
Alors,
That is the word of Ignadon, and this is the word of Herbert.
voilà, on a encore gagné 20 points de vie. Bon, donc maintenant on cherche à aller sur l'île, le village de pêcheurs, donc c'est ici, ça tombe bien. En plus sur cette île de Berserker, il y a un téléporteur. Comme quoi, c'est beau. Qu'est-ce qu'il a le raptor là? Je crois que c'est chez lui ici. Chef de meute ou pas, mon gars, t'es mort.
So, this is the place Warwick wanted me to see. This place, there's something familiar about it. I have been here before. This path, this beach. It was a long time ago, but I was here. I was still a child, a young child. I lived here with my parents. This was my home. It was raining. They came out of the darkness, their weapons of light and fire. People ran in panic. They ran. They were cut down. The town on fire. Screaming. Another boy hiding near me. Just as afraid as I was. Everyone else was gone. All that remained were lifeless bodies in the surf. It was just me. And the other boy. Then one of the attackers found us and took us with them. He named me Jax. The other boy, Calyx. So, that is what Warwick kept seeing all these years.
Ah, donc Calax et toi, c'est pas Zecor, vous êtes même pas nés frères en fait.
Secrets. Why would Warwick hide that from us?
Donc tu as revu ton passé. Ou en l'occurrence, effectivement, tu as été pris par... donc des Albes ont attaqué ton village, ils ont massacré tout le monde. Puis il restait que Calax et toi de vivants. Et les Albes vous ont pris avec eux et ils vous ont emmené avec eux. Ok. Et ça va faire 1 heure. Donc on va parler à Vardek et on va arrêter là cet épisode. Un épisode riche en révélations sur l'histoire principale, hein, bien sûr. Maintenant ça va être notre focus, hein, l'histoire principale.
I've been to the fishing village in Edan.
Then do you understand?
That Calyx and I were born berserkers and not Albs? Do I understand that you killed our parents and carried us off to the Ice Palace as your children? What I don't understand is why.
I wanted heirs. I had achieved much. But I wanted to found a dynasty of the most powerful Albs to follow in my footsteps. But I couldn't have children. So I did what Albs do. I took what I wanted. And I was successful. Look at what you and Calyx achieved. You rose to the very top in Zecor. My legacy was almost complete. You were poised to rule.
We were. Then someone set me up. Now, your bastard children are trying to kill each other.
Yes, all the plans I had shattered.
Comment tu réalisais tes plans maintenant? Il y a moyen de nous aider à atteindre la grandeur que tu désires? Ou tes plans ne prévoyaient pas mon exil, mon exécution, ni les tentatives de Calax de me tuer?
Didn't include my exile and execution, did they? Or Calyx's attempts to kill me.
I don't regret making you both into great men. I see the sons I created, and they are Albs above Albs. But I should have told the truth a long time ago. Maybe then we wouldn't be here today. We'd be in the halls of the Ice Palace, ascending to where you belong. This truth is what you can use to lure Calyx. He wants to hold on to power, and fears that if the truth of his birth became known, then he would lose that power. Threaten to reveal the truth, and Calyx will come to you. There is one place Calyx will not dare to take anyone from Zecor. You will know it when you see it.
That was great.
Mhm. Ouais. Donc il faudra que tu aies le point de vue de Thorald aussi là-dessus, ok, mais avant, il va falloir qu'on aille au convertisseur, donc à Xeikor, mais ça on va s'y attaquer. On a déjà le téléporteur pour le convertisseur ouest, donc on va s'y attaquer au prochain épisode. Et d'ici là, je vous souhaite une bonne journée, je vous dis à bientôt, ciao tout le monde!